Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Classes for You. Today's video is about angles, a pair of angles formed by parallel and transversal lines. So in this video we will see how the angles, different angles can be formed. So please watch this video till the end. Friends, come back to our video. In this, first we will see parallel lines. Okay, see parallel. I will draw here two parallel lines. Okay, and transversal lines means the line which cut these two parallel lines. That is your transversal line. So these two parallel line, I want to name it as say M and N, and this transversal as L. Okay, so first we will go with corresponding angles. Okay, we will see how corresponding angles form. Say name it as 1. Okay, then this has 2, this has 3, 4, then here 5, say 6, 7, and this has 8. Okay, we will see corresponding angles. First, corresponding angles means the angles that form or that have the same position, same relative position. See examples, then you come to know very well. That is this angle, the angle 1 corresponding to angle 5. Okay, corresponding to angle 5 means the angle between these two parallel lines. Okay, means they have same position. Angle 1 corresponding to angle 5. Likewise, we can say angle 3 corresponding to angle 6. Okay, angle 3 corresponding to angle 6. Then here also we can say angle 2 corresponding to angle 7. Okay, and then angle 4 corresponding to angle 8. So these angles are your corresponding angles, means the angle that have on the same relative position. Okay, same relative position, that is your corresponding angles. Next we will see again same, say these two parallel lines P and Q, and there is one transversal line, say X. Okay, we will see first this angles, then I will take one example, we will solve what according to that. Okay, again we will see now next your alternate interior angles. Okay, alternate interior angles means the angles that are formed on the opposite side of this transversal, on the opposite side. See, and this should be between these two parallel lines only. The angles interior means inside. Okay, means the angle that are formed on opposite side of this transversal and between these two parallel lines. Say named it as 1, 2, means angle 1, angle 2 is your alternate interior angle, and here 3 and here 4, then your 3 and 4 again your alternate interior angles, means the angles that are formed on the opposite side of this transversal line between these two parallel lines P and Q. Okay, this is your alternate interior angle. Likewise, we can say alternate exterior angle. Alternate exterior Alternate exterior means what? Again, the angles on the opposite side of this transversal outside of these two parallel lines. Means here I named it as 5 and this one as 6. Means your angle 5 and angle 6 is your alternate exterior angles. How high? Means see here what it happens. These are forming, okay, these are forming on the opposite side of this transversal but and outside of these two parallel lines. Okay, that's why exterior means outside. So outside of these two parallel lines, alternate exterior angle are forming. Again you can name it as 7 and this as 8. Then your 7 and 8 is again your alternate exterior angle. So first what I did, corresponding angles means the same position they have on the same side. Okay, alternate interior angles means opposite side of this transversal between these two parallel. Okay, and alternate exterior is again opposite side of these two parallel lines but outside of these two parallel lines. Okay, opposite of these two transversal I can say and outside of these two parallel lines. This is your corresponding interior exterior. Next we will see, okay, next example we will see interior angle. Interior angle means friends on the same side of this transversal. Okay, on the same side means the sum of these two, that is 3 plus 5 is always your supplementary angle, means 180. Means interior angle on the same side of this transversal. What is your interior angle? Means the interior angle on the same side of this, your L is transversal of these two parallel lines, M and N. L is your transversal, means the interior angle of the same side of this transversal means your 3 and 5. The sum of these two is 180. Again we will see the sum of 4, measure of this angle, measure of angle 4 and measure of angle your 7 is again your 180 degree, means supplementary angle. So friends, interior angles means your angle 3, angle 5, okay, your interior angle is angle 3, angle 5 and angle 4 and angle 7. This is your interior angle and the sum of these two angle is always your 180 degree. Now we will see exterior angle on the same side of this transversal. Exterior angle on the same side of the transversal. What is that? Angle 5, angle 8. Okay, on the same side of the transversal, that is your exterior angle, angle 5, angle 8 and angle 7, angle 6. This is your exterior angle on the same side of the transversal. Okay, interior, exterior. Now we will see next vertical opposite angle. Vertical angles, or we can say vertical opposite angle. Vertical angles. Okay. Vertical angles. In these, friends, vertical angles means which are equally opposite to each other. That is your angle 2, angle 3. Angle 2 is vertical opposite to angle 3. Then angle 1 is vertically opposite to 4. Okay. Then in this way we can say angle 5 with angle 8, angle 7 with angle 6. Like this way we can say this is vertical angles means opposite to each other. Okay. Angle 2 is opposite to angle 3. Angle 1 is opposite to angle 4. This is your vertical angles, and vertical angles are always same, equal to each other. Next we will see linear pair. Then I will show one example in which all these angles will be covered. We will see now last linear pair. Friends, linear means your straight angle, that is your 180 degree. We can say the measure of angle 1 plus measure of angle 7 is your 180, right? These two. Or we can say measure of angle 7 plus measure of angle 5, again your 180 degree, these two, right? So linear pair basically means straight angle, we can say, okay. Likewise we can say 4 plus 2 or 4 plus 6, okay. Measure of 4 plus measure of angle 2 is again your 180 degree. So that is your linear pair. Okay, now we will see example. See here one example. Here is two parallel lines, okay, and one say P and Q is parallel line and transversal say T, okay. Suppose here is, let us take example as 70 degree, okay, and I have to find this as A, then B, then here C, then D, okay, and say here E and F and here G. With the help of those corresponding angles, second what alternate interior angle, third alternate exterior angle, then vertical angle, linear pair. With the help of this we will solve this example, okay. Linear pair. We'll see how. If suppose this is 70 degree, name this as also H. As your H is 70 degree, this angle B can also be 70. What will be the reason? These two are opposite to each other. So I can write here vertical angle, vertically opposite angle, okay, vertically opposite angle. Understood? So this is your 70 degree. So this one you got, okay. Vertically opposite angle means when they both are opposite to each other and these two angles are equal. As B is your 70 degree, C can again be 70. As angle B is 70 degree, C is again 70. How? By corresponding, same relative position, corresponding angle. Corresponding angle, okay. These two you got, corresponding angle, vertical angle. How? Vertical means when they are opposite to each other, and corresponding on the same relative position, and the angles form on the same relative position, means as this is 70, so this can again be 70. Between these two parallel means This should be parallel. The line should be parallel. So corresponding completed, vertical completed. Next we will see so friends, again you can see as H is 70 degree. Angle C again you got 70. It means what? Alternate interior angle you got, right? When these two angles are equal means between these two parallel and on the opposite side of this transversal means your alternate angles. Got? We will find these two also, then it will be clear to you. Okay, alternate interior. Okay, as your B is 70 degree. Your B is 70 degree. This F can also be 70. How? What we read? Alternate exterior angle means opposite angle on this transversal and which are outside of these two parallel lines. The angles of this transversal opposite to each other and outside of these two parallel line means again your F is 70 degree. So this we can say that your alternate exterior angle. Okay. Last is your linear pair. We can say as this is your, we will see linear pair also. Linear pair. As your angle C plus this measure of angle E is 180, right? This is straight line, straight angle, or we can say. So your angle C is 70 plus angle E is equals to 180. So angle C is equals to 180 minus 70. You will get how much? 110 degree. Means this angle is 110. As this is 110, so this can be again 110 degree. Again alternate interior angle. Understood? As this is 110 degree, this can be again 110. How? By vertically angle, opposite angle, vertical angles. Got it? So these two vertically opposite angle. As this is 70, again this is 110, this is again 110. Again vertical angles. Interior angle now, interior angle left, we will see that also. Interior angle, your interior angle is G and C, and what I told, the sum of these two, what you will get? 180. How? Angle G is 110 plus 70, you will get how much? 180. This is your interior angle. And again when you see exterior angle, this 70 plus 110, again you will get 180, that is your exterior angle. That is 70 plus 110 is again your 180. So friends, in this way you can learn your different angles formed with the help of these two parallel lines and one transversal. How? See what I told here, different angles, that is corresponding angles, alternate interior angle, exterior angle, vertical angles, linear pair also, how this linear pair can be formed with the help of these two angles. When you add these two, you should get 180. Interior angle, when interior angle means the between these two parallel lines, again exterior angle means outside of these two parallel lines. Okay, so this video will be useful for 7th, 8th and 9th and beyond also. So please watch this video till the end and subscribe it, like it and share it. Thank you.